This is Christian Sherpa. I'm at, looks like the cable car to Bandipur. I just wanted to talk about the panniers I put on the back of the bike. I'm really wide now. Okay, I've got these Moto Wolf panniers. You don't notice it that much. Like, it's pretty good. I don't imagine I'm going to be going through any trees, but it's great to get that weight down low and then throw a little bag on the back, tie it down. Anyway, pretty awesome riding around with that on. Makes my life a lot better.